Hey everyone, welcome back to OK Dev channel. Today we're going to tackle an essential programming skill, file handling in Python. This includes creating, reading, writing, and appending to files. Let's jump right in. Let's start with creating a file. In Python we can create a file using the open function with W mode. This mode will create the file if it doesn't already exist. Here's an example. This code snippet creates a file named newfile.txt and writes 2 lines of text into it. If the file already exists, it will be overwritten. Remember to close the file to save changes. Now that we have our file created, let's read from it. We can use the R mode to open a file for reading. This reads all the contents of newfile.txt and prints it to the console. As always, don't forget to close the file. What if we want to add more information to our file? We can do this using a mode for appending. Let's check it out. This code opens newfile.txt in append mode and adds a new line. It keeps the existing content intact, which is really useful for logging or adding data incrementally. Working with files can sometimes lead to errors, like trying to read a non-existent file. Let's handle that using a try except block. This code attempts to read a file that doesn't exist and catches the error, providing a friendly message instead of crashing the program. Let's create and write to a file using with. Using the with statement helps us manage files without worrying about closing them manually. First, let's see how to create and write to a file using with. This ensures that the file is automatically closed after we're done with it. In this example, we create a file named newfile.txt and write 2 lines into it. When we exit the with block, the file is automatically closed, which is a great way to prevent errors. Now let's read from the file we just created. We can also use the with statement for reading. This code opens myfile.txt in read mode and prints its content to the console. Again, once we're done, the file closes automatically. So what if we want to add more content to our existing file? We can use the with statement in append mode. This opens myfile.txt in append mode and adds a new line without altering the existing content. Easy and effective. It's always good to handle exceptions when working with files. Here's how we can do that with the with statement. In this example, we attempt to read from a file that doesn't exist. If an error occurs, we catch it and print a helpful message. This keeps our program from crashing. And that's it for our introduction to file handling in Python. We covered creating files, reading from them, appending content, and handling exceptions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more programming tutorials. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.